Hi friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today in this tutorial, I will show you how to integrate Ads.txt file on your WordPress website. So please, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and subscribe and also give me a thumbs up on this video. So now, what is an Ads.txt? So a lot of people find it confusing on how to integrate Ads.txt file on WordPress. So not other than Blogger is very simple. If you go to settings, you just add it there, while WordPress you need the help of a plugin so that you can add your Ads.txt file. So now you got this issue, earning at risk. You need to fix some Ads.txt file issues to avoid severe impact to your revenue. Don't panic, so we'll fix it here in this tutorial. So now click on fix now, then create an Ads.txt file for one site. To prevent severe impact on revenue, download an Ads.txt file, then upload the file to the root level domain of your site. So now click on download. So now it's successfully downloaded. Now go to your WordPress dashboard, then go to plugins, click on add new, then in this search bar search for Ads.txt, then click on install now. Then activate. So now you have successfully activated the plugin. So now we'll go and locate to the area of the plugin. So now click on settings and click on Ads.txt. So now this is the area that we are going to add our Ads.txt file. So click on the Ads.txt file you downloaded from your AdSense, then let's copy it, copy, then paste it over here, then save changes. So Ads.txt is saved. So now we have successfully added our Ads.txt on our WordPress website. So now if you go back to our AdSense dashboard, let's try refreshing. Still earning at risk. You need to fix some Ads.txt file issues to avoid severe impact to your revenue. If you see this danger information here, just leave it, don't panic. It's going to reach 24 hours before AdSense update their system so that they will remove the notice from you. So please, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and do that for more latest update, and also give me a thumbs up, share it to your friends. Thank you.